How to add video as your TikTok profile picture on your TikTok mobile application, of course. I will use Android in this tutorial, but you can always follow along in this iOS or any device that TikTok officially supports. So first off, just to note as a prerequisite that you need to update TikTok to its latest version. You can consult both Play Store or App Store for that matter, depending on your device, of course. And before we start this tutorial proper, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for more tutorials like this, okay? Here we go. First off, just open your TikTok application. Now, from your TikTok application, all you need to do is just to hit on the profile button on the bottom right. Okay, and then to actually use video, all you need to do is just to hit on edit profile. You can change your profile picture to video via clicking this button, change video. You can choose the video that you wanted to use. For example, I will choose this one. And once you click on the video that you wanted to use as your profile picture, all you need to do is just to hit on save. TikTok will process the video to trim it on to 6 seconds. And voila! Now your TikTok profile picture should be displaying a video of your selected video. And that's pretty much how you change or add video as your TikTok profile picture on TikTok mobile application. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please put it also on the comment section down below. Cheers! I hope it helps. And until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.